Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali. Comes equipped with a 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated ventilated seats, as well as power running boards, trailering mirrors, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, we're going to have this black interior with paneling coupled with storage at the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows with the wooden chrome accents and seat memory. You're going to have these power running boards here, these power adjustable heated and ventilated leather seats. Super nice. Left side will be your tuned four-wheel drive as well as your lighting and heads-up display right next to it. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel, with the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. And here you access all of your vehicle information, including your gauges, as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings. So to push to start, you got the classic column truck shifter, and onto the infotainment equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. You can access navigation here, as well as OnStar services, Amazon Alexa, as well as your front, rear, and 360-degree camera. And you're going to have the parallel mirror cams, as well as the bed view. Oops. And below you're going to have the dual zone climate controls with lane centering, exhaust brake, as well as your park assist and hill descent control. You can also deploy your running boards. Right below that will be your integrated brake controller next to your two USB ports, and as well as 12 volt and an AC wall port, and a wireless charge pad just below. And you got center console storage with an SD card reader for navigation and two more USB ports. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable. Denali stitch. You got the double glove box, speakers and vents up top. You got regular and digital rear view, and then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, your power sliding sunroof. So you're gonna have these 20-inch chrome aluminum wheels on Goodyear Trail Runner all-terrain tires. You're gonna have the Duramax and Allison transmission badging. These trailering mirrors with the chrome keyless entry door handles. You got the side steps here. You got the paint match corner step bumper, trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under with the Rancho shocks. You got the Rev Industries hard folding cover and the GMC Multipro tailgate, as well as LED lamps, as well as an AC wall port with your hitch points, around 12 bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, more paneling and storage next to the speaker, power window with the wooden chrome. Hop to the back. Lots of extra leg room, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear cup holders, rear heated seating and ventilation, as well as two USB ports. You got cup holder armrest right in the center, as well as storage behind the seats and storage under, with lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2021 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali, equipped with the 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, as well as heated ventilated seats, lane keep assist, trailering mirrors, hard folding tonneau cover, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.